Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So guys, I have a very important article that needs to be processed, analyzed and talked about. And this is in regards to everything that is going on right now within the crypto market, how it's been affected. I mean, we haven't seen a much increase, right? You haven't seen your bone, go up in price that much, and that is for several reasons. And I think it is also important to look at the external environment. Guys, it's going to be quick, but at least you will know exactly what is going on. Why is the whole crypto market in red? It's not just us, guys. Many are experiencing that sort of effect. So let's dive deep into this one, okay? Now, in recent market developments, the US dollar has been demonstrating upward momentum, edging closer to the 200 exponential moving average. If a breakout occurs, it could potentially prepare the dollar even higher. The ascendancy of the US dollar could exert downward pressure on cryptocurrencies and other financial assets, causing them to decrease in value. The correlation between the strength of the US dollar and the performance of the cryptocurrencies is often inversely proportional. As the value of the dollar rises, it tends to drive the prices of the cryptocurrency down and vice versa. The rationale behind this is simple. A strong dollar makes it more expensive to buy cryptocurrencies, which are typically priced in US dollars. This subsequently reduces demand and leads to a decrease in price. So the surge in the value of the US dollar could be linked to the upcoming resolution of the debt ceiling issue. As the US government approaches solution to this fiscal challenge, investors' confidence in the dollar seems to be growing. This increased confidence is driving up demand for the dollar, thereby boosting its value. If the dollar does breach the 200 EMA threshold, it could lead to another leg down for the crypto market. Cryptocurrency investors should therefore brace themselves for a potential market downturn. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. There is so much right now going on, okay, with the US dollar. So if the US dollar becomes more expensive, of course, less is going to be invested in cryptos. Okay, and we probably are going to be seeing more economic turbulence, more political turbulence. All that is coming, but we are also learning how to live through all this, okay, and how to put it all to the side and actually see the bigger, longer and wider picture of things. At the end of the day, I mean, as great as it is all, I think we have to be focused and stick to our plans, because although you may see economic turbulence, that doesn't mean that you should be selling off, because the world economy works in peaks and dips. I mean, if you look or watch any documentary or look at charts of how the world operated, there were always recessions, economic crisis points, there were booms, peaks, and that was always part of the world, and it'll just carry on going this way. So if we're seeing a bit of turbulence, a bit of change, it's not a big deal in my opinion, because what is a big deal is being able to be patient and wait for SHIBARIUM, because that is going to be the real deal breaker for our crypto. Because we have invested for a reason. We didn't invest because we thought that the economy was going to be doing very well. That was never the reason for the crypto. That is more, if you're interested in these type of thoughts, then you should be investing in currencies. There, yes, the economies matter, but what we are investing in is something that is going to be providing a utility, something that's a massive game changer, okay? And that is, whether it's Shiba Inu, leash or bone, whatever you're holding, but what is going to be the game changer is SHIBARIUM, the layer 2 solution. So regardless of whatever is happening, guys, remember, we will see lows, but we will see highs as well, and we'll see lows again and highs. But when we see our development, our much awaited development, that is where we know that everything has completely changed. Okay, so be ready for this type of change. I don't want you to be, with your eyes closed. I don't want you to miss out on opportunities, because this is what happens to many people. They genuinely miss out on these opportunities because they are so concerned about all these external situations that are happening around the world. I mean, yes, it's sad that we are seeing such, dips and losses, but whatever, man. I'm sticking my finger up to all these events because I'm sick and tired of this crap. I want to see results, okay? And I'm not always going to be like a little sheep following, oh, okay, economy's down, okay, so I'm very sad, I'm gonna sell. Oh, economy's up, I'm happy. No, it's not going to affect my mood anymore. At the end of the day, I'm here waiting for Shibarium. Simple as that, okay? So yeah, if we were to open up the charts right now, we'll see some red, we'll see some cryptos going down. It's normal. Most of them actually follow Bitcoin tends to follow the economic environment, so everyone is following everything. But I can tell you right now that once Shibarium comes out, demand is going to be crazy, because all these projects that were waiting to build on Shibarium will skyrocket the price, because the volume is going to be massive. So much money is going to be being pumped into our beloved cryptocurrency because of Shibarium, and that is going to push the price up. Like it or not, that's how the market is going to operate, by the crazy demand. If you look at the principles of economics, demand and supply, I mean, supply isn't even that high when we talk about, for example, bone. Okay, 230 million, that's nothing, considering that they want to build a whole blockchain around this token and use that token. So that's pretty crazy, I mean, if you think about it. So undoubtedly the price is going to be peaking. Look, maybe if the economic conditions were like even better, then maybe it could go up even higher. But guys, the amount is going to go up, you should be very, very satisfied with. And when you're going to be holding, you will see just how much demand is going to play a role, because everybody's going to be buying up bone, so there is demand for it. And at some point, who knows, maybe we'll run out of bone. So at this point, bone is going to be like so limited, so scarce, so people will be willing to pay anything for bone to keep their projects alive. Investors are going to be making a lot of money out of it. Shiba Inu as well also going to benefit from the crazy burns that are expected to happen, so these will help eliminate those zeros. And guys, whilst the average person is looking at the type of interest that they can get from their bank or some other small return, we're looking at returns that start from at least 1,000% and above, okay, at least. So we're talking big returns, big type of money making opportunities here. So yeah, crypto might be in the red, we might be looking at the charts, it might be dropping down, and some people are like, well, it needs a point, a resistance line, a ceiling, a bottom, whatever. Guys, it doesn't matter. Technical analysis does not matter until Shibarium comes out. That is the most important piece, okay? So stop worrying about these little factors. I'm gonna get into it a bit more, in other videos. I'm gonna make some videos and talk about what actually matters here, and why technical analysis isn't always the most important thing. I know you're expecting a certain pattern to form, but it doesn't always form, okay? And it's not always it's not always going to be that way. And we have so much to go through, so we're still in our baby steps. So you can just imagine the ceiling, the upscale, and the type of levels that we could be reaching. So as of now, guys, I need you to focus, pay attention. Got so much interesting content coming out, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notifications bell, otherwise you won't see those videos without the notifications bell on. And if you have any thoughts in regards to the cryptos being in red, cryptos doing badly, the dollar and how it affects, I mean, I know the dollar can get expensive and people going to be spending less of their dollar, but it would be interesting to know if that affects you in any way, and are you buying less of for example, bone or Shiba Inu or leash? Does that affect you that much, or are you just focused on that end game, Shibarium, and you're keeping your bags nice and heavy and getting them even heavier? So let me know down below in the comment section, And as usual, guys, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.